Hello everyone. Today we are going to understand the concept of foreign key and primary key, in which we are supposed to make a table in such a way that if a value is not existing in parent table primary key, it will not be existing in child table foreign key, right? Now you can see here I have made two tables, right? First of all we will understand the design, then we will go to the practical part. You can see there is a primary table, that is a parent table, which is having an ID, that is primary key, that is parent ID, that is 101 102, and parent name is Karan and Naman, right? And there is another table, child table, whose child ID is primary key. You can see 301 302, these are the primary keys, and child name Arav and Nishant. And Arav is the son of which parent ID? 101, that is Karan. Nishant is the child of parent ID 102, whose name is Naman. So you can see that the foreign key is used to connect to two tables here. If you are trying to insert a value that is 103 or 104 other than 101 102, then it will not be allowing any value, because that 103 104 should be existing in parent table, then it will allow this value here. Otherwise, for the time being, when you are using insert values in child table, it will allow only values of 101 and 102. So let's implement it practically. Let's make a parent table. First of all, I will create a database. Use db3 for opening the database. So we will create a table, name parent, create table parent. That is, first of all we need to make an ID int. Another is parent name, that is varchar, that is the data type 40. Now we need to make ID as primary. We need to make ID as primary key bracket में ID. Yes. So you can see that the table is created. Now we can see the description of parent table. Describe parent. So here you can see that I have made two columns, that is ID, which is primary key, name, that is the parent name. Now we will create child table. Create table child. That is child ID int, child name varchar 40. Now another is parent ID int. Primary key is child ID. Foreign key is the, that is PID, foreign key PID, which is references parent ID. So you can see that the table is been created. Now we will be inserting values in first of all we will be inserting values in parent table. So insert into parent values. In parent table, first of all we are having a parent ID, that is 101 101. Now parent name is Karan. One 102, that is Naman. Now we will try to insert values in child table. Insert into child values. Child ID is 301. Child name is Arav, and let's say Arav is the son of parent ID 101. that is of Karan. So row has been inserted. Now I will try to insert value of another child, Shivam, which is belonging to parent ID 103, and this 103 is not existing in the parent table, right? We have inserted two values 101 and 102 in parent table, but this ID doesn't. Now let's press enter. Now you can see the error because that 103 is not existing as a primary key. So foreign key will accept only those values which are existing in the as a primary key in the parent table, right? Now I will try to insert. Now I will do 102 over here because 102 is existing in the parent table. Now it will accept the value. You can see the query is existing. Now select star from parent, select star from child. You can see it is accepting only those values which have been existing in the is table, right? So this is all about the foreign key and primary key concept. You need to understand that foreign key is used to connect to two tables and it will accept only those values which is existed as a primary key of other table, right? So that's it for today. Thank you.